Good morning, students. Today we are going to start difference between the microeconomics and macroeconomics. In our first video, we study about the introduction of the economics, what is economics, meaning and definition. After that, we study what is economy, types of economy, and what are the components of economy. So now we are studying about the difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Okay. So microeconomics, as we already studied in our first video, first part, that microeconomics is taken from Greek word which means small. Like that, macroeconomics you will study in your next class, 12th standard. But meaning will be clear now only. There are two branches of economics we can say. Many branches like agriculture economics, financial economics, statistics economics. Main branch these are micro and macroeconomics. Micro and macro. So micro word is taken from Greek word micros, which means small, and this is taken from Greek word macros, which means large. Okay, small and means large. In macroeconomics, what we study all the economic problem like inflation, deflation, employment, income, etc. at the level of economy as a whole or at the aggregate level. Okay. In microeconomics, we study the economic problem at an individual level, like a problem of consumer, producer, investor, etc. So our main topic is today difference between the micro and macro. I hope you clear the meaning of micro and macroeconomics. Micro means small and macro means large. Now difference between microeconomics and macroeconomics. The first is microeconomics deal with economic issue and individual firm and individual household. Means in macroeconomics we study the economic problem at an individual level, like the problem of individual firm. Okay, you can say like we are studying only the you can take for example like we are studying the problem of only SKM school. Okay, then what is this? This is the problem at an individual level. And if we are studying the problem relating to all the school in the country, then this is the problem at a country level, national level. So this is problem in macroeconomics. In microeconomics we study at individual level. Like you can say the study of only individual unit. It can be a farm, factory. Okay. And macroeconomics deal with the economic issues at the level of economy as a whole. Okay. As I already told you that when we study the problem related to as a whole, aggregate level, like if we are studying about the income of an individual person only. Okay. Income of individual person, income, only individual person, then this is microeconomics. And if we are studying about the national income, then this is the problem of macroeconomics. Because national income, we studying the income in the country whole, means पूरी country की जब हम income के बारे में, aggregate income के बारे में study करते हैं तो वो हमारी macroeconomics के अंदर आएगी. और जब हम individual unit की बात कर रहे हैं, individual person की बात कर रहे हैं तो वो microeconomics में आएगी. Now next point is, it is often called as the theory of price. Microeconomics is often called as the theory of price. Means we are studying only the that product pricing, etc. So this is only theory of price. In other name it can be said it is often called the theory of income and employment, because in macroeconomics we study about the only our country, then it is also about the employment in microeconomics at the aggregate level. It assumes that macro variable remain constant. When we are studying about the microeconomics, then microeconomics it assumes that the macro variable means that at the national level all the variables are constant. But when we study macroeconomics, then it assumes that micro variables remain constant, means all the micro variables like individual unit, individual forms, all these remain constant. Components of microeconomics: consumer theory, product pricing, etc. Means in microeconomics we study about individual consumer, producer, but in macroeconomics we study about inflation, deflation, BOP. means when recession, inflation means कि कितने प्राइसेस हाई हो रहे हैं, कितने डाउन जा रहे हैं. डिफ्लेशन मीन्स जब डिप्रेशन की सिचुएशन आ जाती है, लाइक अभी हमारी इकोनॉमी क्या है, वो डिप्रेशन की चल रहा है, ठीक है, कि सारी चीजें डाउन होती जा रही है. तो दिस इज द सिचुएशन ऑफ डिप्रेशन. दिस इज नॉट एट द इंडिविजुअल लेवल. वी कैन ऑल्सो टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन लाइक COVID-19 is there in all over the country in the world. So first it spread in the China, okay. Then when the China that the problem was facing alone, then that was only at a micro level. But slowly it spread all over the world in the country, maximum country of the world. Then effect of China spread all over the world and the whole country get affected. So economy, financially, all these problems we are facing, all the country in the world. So this is the problem at the macro level, okay. COVID-19 situation is the problem at the macro level, okay. So this is the main difference between micro and macro. Micro means when we study problem, economic problem at the individual level, and in microeconomics when we study the problem at the large level. I hope you all understand the meaning of micro